energy stuck in place, doing all the things, still no change. But my body's talking, I hear it now. It's not willpower, it's deeper down. Feed the fire, feel the core. What I give is what restores every bite, every choice. Now my cells have got a voice. Clean it up, repair the flow. Every cell in me says go. No more crash, no more slow. I'm alive in my cellular glow. Metaphagy, flip the switch. Out with the old, rebuild rich. From my gut to energy, this is how it's meant to be. Not less food, just smarter fuel. Now my body makes the rules.